up, student? I hope you have done the work. Now let's discuss the answers one by one. Okay. First question was fill in the blanks with the suitable words from the blanks. So you have the options here and you have to choose the correct word from this to write it here. Let's see what will be the answer. Did they dash the game? Did they victory the game? No. Did they win the game? So the correct answer is win. Now next question, the soldiers are running to hot them up? No, it will be warm them up. W-A-R-M, warm them up. Okay. Next, I can dash French. I can tell French? No, I can speak French. I can speak French. They are dash soldiers. They are courage soldiers? No, it will be brave soldiers. So they are brave soldiers. Now we will see another set of answers. For this I have to rub the board. Okay. So let's see this answers. Protection against germs can be had by getting a what? Vaccination, which we are waiting from corona. Okay. So answer will be vaccination. Next, the bacterium, which is the character in the lesson, says that we consider ourselves harmless bacteria. Third, dash changes ice into water. What changes ice into water? Heat. The thief dashed from jail, escaped. Very frequently, flies carry bacteria along with them and settle on what? Settle on all of them. Now here you will say how all of them. In the book it is given in MCQ format, like the options are sewage, rubbish, food and all of them. So the correct answer will be all of them, and you will get all these in the forms of MCQ only. Okay, all the questions, this or other questions, you will get in the form of MCQ only. So here if it comes, it will be all of them. Okay, because flies carry means bacteria and it sits on everything. Okay, now we will do another set of questions. The four brothers were very pleased to discover that they had all acquired skills. Now the fourth brother who brought the lion to life is the what? Is the guilty. G-U-I-L-T-Y, guilty. The brothers collected the bones of an animal to prove their skill. P-R-O-V-E, prove their skill. Now, hypersonic means, what is the meaning of the word hypersonic? The word means fast. So by this we have completed the revision and we have done lots of revision for whole syllabus. Okay. So keep learning, stay safe and home, and all the best for your unit test exams. Okay. It is going to start from tomorrow. Best of luck.